Today, we're looking at a tire pressure monitor system, also known as a TPMS. I always wanted to have a tire pressure monitor in my car. As we travel quite a lot on gravel roads, and for safety reasons, I think it's a good idea to get warned if your vehicle has a puncture whilst driving. The monitor can be set with an alarm, and when the pressure decreases below a certain pressure, it'll warn you of low pressure. I always wondered what is the difference between an expensive system and then the cheaper Chinese equivalent, which is more or less a third to a quarter of the price of the more expensive systems. You'll get two different TPMSs. The first one is installed internally in your tire and is fitted in place of your normal valve on the wheel, and the second one is fitted externally and is screwed in place of your valve cap. The external one is easier and quicker to fit, as the internal one has to be fitted by a tire shop. So, okay, I bought an external one. I bought this system on Takealot, which is the equivalent of Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, etc., etc. The cost of the system was approximately 400 Rand, which is more or less $20. As you can see, it's packed with all the tools and instructions needed to do the installation, as well as a cable to charge it before installation. The system has a small solar panel on top, and it practically means that you don't have to charge it again after installation. Each cap has a small battery inside it that sends the signal of the pressure to the main monitor. I'm not sure how long it will last, but the more expensive systems claim that the sensors last up to 4 years, so that's quite long. I'm going to install this TPS system on my 4x4, and we'll also check what the accuracy of the system is. I checked each tire pressure with two different tire pressure gauges to be able to verify how accurate the system is. The only disadvantage of this system is that you have to unlock and then unscrew the cap when you inflate the tire, where the internal system doesn't require this. I then installed the main monitor on my dashboard, where it can be easily viewed, and where the sun shines to charge the main monitor. The system also monitors the temperature of each tire. For the amount that the system cost, I would say it's fair value to install this and be able to get a warning when a tire deflates or is over normal temperature. Thus, I would give this system a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you think it was worth your while. Thanks. That's also marked in bar. It gives me 2.2 bar.